Hi there. Welcome to our channel. Do you want to know how to get a license for insurance agent? We will also provide you guys with the ultimate guide on social marketing. The rise of social media has made us all live a shared global experience. Due to the increasing reliance on technology, insurance agents and insurance businesses have gone online. They set up their online profile to advance their insurance marketing. Social media is an effective way to reach the mass, and insurance agents have also taken steps in utilizing insurance marketing through social media. Also, an independent insurance agent starting an insurance business is using social media to promote their business. Social media can help insurance agents to contact, inform, and also help communicate with their policyholders. Talking about getting a license to be an insurance agent. Before applying for an insurance agent license, you must first select whether you want to be a captive or independent agent. You can take the licensing exam and apply for a license with a background check after completing the preparation. Following your licensure, you can begin working for an insurance firm or agency and communicating with clients. You can know more about these in detail by clicking the link in the description box below. Also, if you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you for watching.